Why is my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system so noisy? Most of the time, that racket comes from either a dirty air filter restricting airflow, loose parts vibrating inside the unit, or ductwork that is too small for the amount of air being pushed through it. And figuring out which one it is usually starts with a simple filter check. Think of your heating and cooling system like your lungs. If you try to breathe through a straw, you have to work twice as hard and you make a lot more noise doing it. That is exactly what happens when your air filter gets clogged with dust and pet hair. The blower motor has to strain harder to pull air through, and that strain turns into a loud whooshing or rattling sound. Here is something most homeowners never think about. The ductwork itself can act like a musical instrument. If the ducts are too narrow for your system size, air gets forced through at high speed and creates a whistling or roaring noise, kind of like blowing across the top of a bottle. Swapping your filter every 1 to 3 months is the easiest fix, but if the noise continues, the duct sizing itself might be the real culprit. One mistake people make constantly is assuming a noisy system just means it is old and needs replacing, when really it just needs a simple tune-up or a filter swap. Another common issue is ignoring rattling sounds because they think it is normal, when loose screws or panels on the outdoor unit are an easy fix with just a screwdriver. A third thing worth knowing is that a sudden banging or clicking noise on startup often means a part inside the system has come loose, and catching that early can save you from a much more expensive repair down the road, so do not wait months to get it looked at. If you need help with a project like this, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JawBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.